welcome back to my channel, where we uncover the untold side of military life, farming, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into one of the Navy's most mind-blowing logistics feats. How does a U.S. aircraft carrier feed over 5,000 crew members every single day while floating in the middle of the ocean? Most people know that aircraft carriers are massive floating war machines, longer than 3 football fields, carrying dozens of fighter jets, and capable of projecting power across continents. But what's often overlooked is the staggering amount of food it takes to keep this beast and its entire crew fully operational. An aircraft carrier is not just a warship. It's a floating city. It has electricity, gyms, barber shops, and massive industrial kitchens that run 24/7, pumping out over 18,000 meals a day. So, how do they do it? How do they store, prepare, and deliver this much food in such a tight, mobile, and high-stakes environment? Let's start with what life is like on board. Carriers like the USS Nimitz or Gerald R. Ford aren't just large, they're vertical cities, towering like a 25-story building above the water. On board are thousands of service members, pilots, mechanics, medics, engineers, cooks, all with one thing in common. They need fuel, and that fuel is food. The ship's culinary operations are run like a military-grade hotel chain, structured, efficient, and absolutely precise. Each mission can last weeks or even months at sea, so these ships carry hundreds of tons of food, enough to sustain the crew for 60 to 90 days without resupply. Food is stored deep within the hull in massive cold storage units, walk-in freezers, dry pantries, and refrigeration zones. They carry mountains of meat, beef, chicken, pork, along with eggs, milk, fresh produce, canned goods, flour, rice, and spices. And when supplies run low, resupply ships bring in more, transferring goods mid-ocean using high-tension cables or helicopters while both vessels continue moving side by side at full speed. It's a high-stakes balancing act that happens like clockwork. Inside the carrier, there are 3 to 5 main galleys, or kitchens, operating around the clock. These are not just mess halls, they're industrial food factories manned by hundreds of trained Navy culinary specialists. Some prep ingredients, some cook, some run the bakery, and others clean thousands of trays every hour. There are pizza ovens, grill stations, fryers, mixers, and even a fast food line serving burgers and hot dogs on demand. Every single day, the crew consumes around 4,500 eggs, 800 liters of milk, 90 kilograms of coffee, and thousands of hot meals served across hangar bays, command centers, and aircraft decks. But it's not just quantity, it's variety and precision. Menus are rotated every 21 days to avoid monotony. There are options for vegetarians, for religious diets like halal or kosher, gluten-free requests, and tailored meal plans for medical needs. One day, you might find beef stew or spaghetti. The next, it's teriyaki chicken, shrimp stir-fry, or even Indian curry. And on Fridays, it's Morale Day, when the galley pulls out all the stops with steaks, BBQ ribs, or even lobster tail, giving sailors a well-deserved boost. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. All the water used for cooking and drinking, it's made on board, filtered and distilled directly from seawater. Aircraft carriers can produce up to 400,000 gallons of fresh water every day. Navy cooks who excel can earn prestigious promotions and even get advanced culinary training. So, the next time you think of naval power, remember, it's not just about missiles or jets. The true backbone of a warship might just be its kitchen, where food keeps morale high, energy steady, and the mission moving forward. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to V1 Discovery for more incredible insights into the hidden world of military, survival, and global logistics. And in our next video, we'll explore how submarines manage food storage and cooking while operating completely underwater for months at a time. You won't want to miss it. See you there.